Instruct Joey to collect and drop the shapes into bin if the color is red using if block and repeat block. You have used the if block 8 times. This is boring and repetitive as we need to use a large number of code blocks. Can you think of an idea to perform this task more easily? Yes, we use repeat block to perform the same task again and again. Let's try this exercise using repeat loop. As we have done in the previous exercise, place start, walk, and if blocks in the script area. Now to check the condition, if color of shape is equal to red, drag and drop equal to block from operators category into the if block. As we did in the previous exercise, we look at the condition color of shape and red. If color of shape is equal to red, Joey will collect and drop the shape into bin. But if color of shape is not equal to red, Joey moves to the next shape. Place color of shape block from looks category before equal to and red block from data category after equal to. Between start and stop blocks, insert repeat block. As we have 8 shapes totally, type 8 inside repeat block. Can you see? After you click on execute, Joey walks towards the shapes one by one and checks the color of the shapes. If color of shape is equal to red, Joey will collect and drop the shape into the bin. But if color of shape is not red, Joey will leave that shape and move towards the next shape. Interesting, isn't it?